What's up, guys? So let's talk about ranking up and why you want to do it, and also how to level your characters up really quick here in the new Dissidia Opera Omni game. First off, you want to get to rank number 10 as soon as possible, because that allows you to go into World of Illusions and you get to actually fight these stages. So these stages cost 10 stamina, which you're going to get stamina SP points. Once you hit to rank 10, you're going to have enough to use them in here. So let's go ahead and begin this. We're just going to auto fight this because we don't necessarily care about clearing out the rewards. We want to finish this up fast because we're coming upon the daily reset. Daily reset happens at 12 Pacific Standard Time. So make sure that you do all your dailies within that period of time. Dailies are one of the most important things to leveling up. You'll notice that once we get out of here, there are quests. In the quest, there's either cactar stage or there's a stage to get crystals, and you get to do that stage 10 times a day. That stage is insanely good for EXP and crystals and gold, especially the cactar stage. The cactar stage is designed to get you gold or gil in this game. The crystal stage is designed to get you crystals, but they give you a ton of EXP, and that is how you rank up. So in order to rank up in this game, you have to level up your characters. So if you want to rank up really quick, just take some of those characters that are level 1 or level 2 and level them up to level 5 or 6 or 10, etc. That is going to rank your game up very, very quickly and very, very easy. So you'll maybe notice too, we have Squall. Squall is a brand new limited time character that is just available starting today, and you can get him by doing a quest in the missions that is very, very easy. You just got to clear one stage, level 10 enemies, and you get Squall. Squall is an amazing hero, super strong on his own, but if you keep progressing further in his special mission, you actually get him, you get some great gear. For, I believe it's a 5-star armor piece for Squall, which no one else has 5-star armor pieces available. Squall is by far the best character in the game at this moment in Global. So, make sure that you grab Squall, make sure that you level Squall up. Very, very simple, very easy. He's also getting the 2x EXP bonus going on right now as well, as are multiple units. So if you want to level them up quick, use the heroes that are getting 2x EXP, and that will level them up even quicker. So we've completed this stage just by autoing battling and got most of the rewards. Cool, awesome. You can see a good amount of gil, a good amount of EXP. So just by doing that stage, 206 EXP is a lot of EXP, guys. That's another reason why you want to get to 10 stamina. Stamina recharges 1 every 3 minutes, so which means you can do this stage once every 30 minutes if you are tracking your stamina. There's a free treasure chest over here, and the same thing. There's going to be a free treasure chest on the right once you complete that stage, which is going to help you progress further in the game. The next stage in this mission costs 20, so you need to get to rank 20 before you can do that. So once again, in order to rank up, you need to level up the characters. Go over to the event tab. Make sure that you do your dailies. So the Cactar quest is available for me right now. We have 7 tries left. We are going to go in here and smash this out. Even just the level 10 one. The level 10 one is perfectly fine for beginner players. So we are right around level 15 or so on most of our characters. This is where we kind of want to be. We need to progress our characters further so we can auto battle on the other ones. We can probably manually beat the second Cactar stage, but I ain't got time for that. So we are auto battling here. You get enough tries that you want to make sure that you win every stage, because losing a stage, it hurts. In 10 times, it's going to level up a ton of your characters. You're going to see we're probably going to rank up once by just doing this stage one time. If we really want to rank up, we'll show you the secret trick, is that's leveling up a level 1 or level 2 character. So we'll swap out next time 1 or 2 characters that are for lobies, level 1 or 2. Because even if they die at the end of the stage, you still get the experience points. All you have to do is beat the stage. So generally, you're going to want to swap out one person if you want to be really risky, or you have a super strong character, DPS character mainly too. Then you can go ahead and swap out 2 characters and use them as low levels. On the first stage here, the enemies are level 10, so they're not that difficult to beat, even with low level characters. So level 1 characters might even be useful in this stage. So we're going to go ahead and swap out 2 characters after this, showing you how to dramatically rank up those new characters that you are getting. You get the characters by completing the story quest missions. So constantly keep moving forward in the story quest missions. You shouldn't have any trouble in the story quest missions, at least until chapter 3. There's nothing difficult whatsoever, especially if you're following any guides online. You shouldn't have any trouble whatsoever. If you are having trouble, make sure that you upgrade your weapons and upgrade your heroes. That will give them more stats and make them more durable. So you can see they all leveled up right there. Let's see if we got a rank up or not. Alright, no rank up. So let's jump back in here. Let's use 2 level 1 characters. So we're going to click on that. We're going to click on this tab right here on the right. And we're going to go to Party. We're going to go ahead and keep our Warrior of Light in there. And we're going to go and grab Zidane, because Zidane's getting 2 times EXP. And then let's grab Tifa, because Tifa is getting 2 times EXP as well. So once again, we want to use the characters that are getting 2 times EXP, which is going to make this faster. If you really want to make it even faster, up here at the top, there's support items. Click on support items. You'll have some EXP bonuses. These are boosts that will double or 50% or double your EXP for a certain period of time. So we have Book of Training. We can obtain twice the amount of EXP from Quest for 30 minutes. So if we use this, it's going to double our EXP for 30 minutes. I think you want to hold on to these for a little bit until you get up higher in the stages, maybe level 20, level 30, and you can auto battle those guys so you can dramatically increase your EXP gains. So, but you are getting quite a few of these, so if you really just want to power level right through the first stage and make most of your characters, level 10, level 15 really quick, you can do that. So let's start this off and let's see how the auto battle works here with 2 level 1 characters. We are going to grab a friend this time, and just in case, so let's go grab a level 8 friend here. And begin. So we have a weakish squad, but let's see how the auto battle does with just the level 23 Warrior of Light. Because you'll see they're able to even break these guys. The enemies are only level 5 at this point. I believe the level 1 character should be able to do it if you have at least a level 20 character that is able to dish out some nice punishment using a 5-star weapon. 5-star weapons dramatically increase the strength of your heroes, so make sure that you utilize those guys, upgrade your weapons as best you can. And good luck on your pulls. Hence, this is why I re-rolled for the first couple days, is because I wanted to start the game off with at least 3 5-star weapons after the first pull. It's not, unheard of to start the game with only 2 5-star weapons or 3 or 4, but it will help out. It will make the game a lot easier in the future, and if you are going to be a free-to-play player, you're not going to get that many gems. Like, they give a lot of gems, but they consume a ton of gems to summon. You need 5,000 gems to summon, so that takes away. We have like 15,000 gems right now. We can only summon 3 times. Granted, yes, we are going to get 3 guaranteed 5-star weapons, but you might not get the character's weapon that you want, and to upgrade that weapon, you need 4 of the same exact weapon to make it a 6-star. So far so good. Our characters are crushing it. It looks like we're easily going to be able to beat this stage with simply level 1 characters. And you're going to see them jump up to like level 7 or 8 or something after we kill this stage. Well, and actually very close. We were down to 1 hero. Our Warrior Light was the only one left standing. So even here you get a lot of crystals as well. And look at all the EXP for Tifa and Zidane. Look, they went all the way up to level 9 right there. Crazy madness. So this is going to rank us up. And when you rank up, see, we did it wrong here. We went to rank 12. We wanted only to go to rank 11, because every time that you rank up, your SP, your stamina, it refills. So now that we have full stamina, we're going to go back into World of Illusions and go do that stage once again. World Illusion is giving you a ton of great upgrade materials and also a very good amount of EXP. We're going to go ahead and change our squad out because these guys are a little bit too weak in here and we don't want to waste our stamina. So we definitely want to have our strong squad in here. Wow, that was impressive. A level 37 VV we saw there. And so once again, we will auto-battle these guys, and it should be pretty easy for the game to win. So there you have it, guys. Make sure that you rank up the low-level characters, progress in the story missions, and then use your stamina every time that you rank up in this special dungeon over here. Alright guys, I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and share, subscribe to the channel here. It helps me out tremendously. I will talk to you guys later.